Good morning, guys. Welcome back or to the channel. In today's video, we have some stuff for the blue truck. Now, and yes, that Valvetronic muffler sounds awesome. But my grandpa doesn't know it yet. These are actually supposed to come in tomorrow. So we got him, and I roll the window up so he can't hear me because he's like right over there. But we just finished some stuff on the red truck. But I have, well, actually the Lasfit rock lights. So I was actually talking to the folks over at Lasfit, and I'm not turning the camera around because I look like a mess. But I was actually talking to them about some stuff for this truck, and he apparently needs to change his oil. But either way, I was talking to them about some stuff for him. It should be here tomorrow. So I guess I will catch y'all in the morning. We'll get everything unboxed, get them installed, and I think he's gonna like them. All right, so here we have it. Now, I just pulled these out of the mailer, so I'm gonna get this all opened up, and we will take a look at what we got. Okay, so first off, I would like to say I really do like this box. Nice box. It is a thick box. It's got the same like stuff on the inside too. Really nice box. Packaging is just one of those things for me that I do like. But same thing here. Very nice. So take this out, and you get some decals. There's 3 of them. You have your product manual and lights. So these are their LS series LED headlight bulbs with the external driver. They do have a fan on them, which is nice. So I'm excited to see how these do. Now, I was looking at these on the website, and these are supposed to have like a cutoff, you know, just like the projectors in the red truck. So kind of excited to see how that does. Now, I also wanted to mention, if y'all want to get yourself some of these headlight bulbs, you can use the code that's on the screen right now and save some money off of your order. That is an affiliate link, and I would appreciate it if y'all use it, but it will save you some money as well. But also, another thing, stick around to the end of the video. We will take a look at these at night and whatnot. That way y'all can get an idea of how they look. So anyway, guys, we're gonna go out here in just a moment, get these guys installed, and we will take a look, see how the fit and finish is on them, and the output as well. All right, so what we're gonna do on this truck, I mean, you can't really get to these through there. So what we're gonna do, pull the headlight out, bolt here, pull this back. There's another one right there. So comes out pretty easy. Same thing over here. And on these, you don't have to take these out. You can pull them up, fold them around, and then sneak them down just like that. If you can't tell, I've had the headlights out of this truck about 90 different times. I had some LEDs in it before, and they had to come in and out a ton. That way I could take and clock the bulbs, which kind of sucks. But like I said, bolt here, bolt there. It's all pretty simple. And then there are 2 pins. There's one here, that index into the fender that are a little bit difficult to get out, but they are not too bad at all. All right, so a little before and after for y'all. So, like I said, I'm gonna be interested to see how these look at night with the bulbs that are already in this truck. I've noticed a few times I've drove it at night that when you hit high beams with these, it seems like it takes away, and high beams is actually dimmer than low beams. So hopefully these are going to change that. And I know in the red truck, when I had another company LEDs in there, you really didn't need high beams. So we'll see how these work out. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get this one swapped out with our new Lasfit LED. All right, so as you can tell, it is dark, but we'll come over here next to the blue truck and I'll hit the unlock button, and there you have it. So pretty nice beam pattern on these. Now, one thing that is kind of cool is these headlights have clear side markers, and it's shining through, casting pretty cool little color spectrum on the ground. But anyway, I'm gonna pull this down to the shop, and we will take a better look at the cutoff on the shop door, because it will be a little more noticeable down there. All right, so now we're in the truck because yes, it is 10 o'clock at night and it's still 91 degrees here in Arkansas, and the camera wants to overheat. But regardless, I thought I would show y'all high beam. So low beam and then high beam, low beam, and back to high. So it seems like the passenger side is a little brighter than the driver's side. It's more direct over there, whereas on this side it's more like an open beam. So anyway, I'm going to, like I said, I'm gonna pull down the shop, that way I can see it a little bit better, and then I'm gonna take this thing for a drive and see what we think about them. Okay, so here we have it. Now we'll focus the camera. There you go. So you can kind of see the beam. So driver's side light, passenger side light, and then when you hit high beams, that's what you get. So like I said, a little bit of a weird beam on the ground, like in front of you, and I'll show y'all that too as we leave. But yeah, also the white truck, we broke the white truck. I took a friend on a drive because she's been wanting to ride in the white truck, and well, we broke it. And see if I can get out of here without running nothing over, because we didn't really leave enough room for all this, and I'm trying not to hit the charger for the camera. But like I said, a little bit of an odd beam pattern, if we're being honest, but I'll show y'all that as well. So here we go. Yeah, so you can see that most definitely. Now if that looks high, we're headed uphill here, but you can kind of see on the ground. And then this is again low beam and then high beam. So high beam does fill out a little bit more, but all in all, I would say this is not bad. So I'm gonna take this thing for a drive, see what we think about them, because you know, doing 55 down the highway is a little bit different than just kind of moving around the yard. And like I said, we'll see what we think about them, and well, I guess I'll catch y'all when I get back. All right, so just like that, we're back. Now I will say they are nice, but I do kind of wish they filled out a little more of kind of the ground in front of you, which I know that's subjective, you know, from vehicle to vehicle, because I mean, you put these headlights in that car or the red truck or the white truck, they're all going to be different, and the reason for that being is the shape of the reflector buckets. So these are kind of how the other ones were that I had after I did like 19,000 adjustments and got them this good. So for these to be out of the box this good, I am impressed with that. But I mean, like I said, you can see it. We're probably 30 or 40 feet from the wall. And we can go further back. I know there's a tree back there somewhere. Oh, there it is. We're good. But I mean, we'll go all the way back to here. This is probably 50, 60 feet. So I mean, pretty good. Now high beams, yeah, high beams aren't bad. They are better than most of the other LED headlight bulbs that I've ever had. I will say, seems like most of them, they just kind of light up more. They don't actually get brighter, if you know what I mean. So anyway, there we have it. So I guess with that being said, I'm gonna go in, we're gonna get this video edited and try to get it uploaded tonight, because tomorrow got a few things I need to do. We need to take this, get the tires rotated, and a few other things. But anyway, guys, I think that's going to be it for this one. Now, I have already done an outro for this video. That way I didn't have to look at a black screen. So we'll go ahead and roll that. All right, guys. So now that y'all have seen them, it's still during the daytime. I tried to think about that. That way y'all don't have to look at a black screen. But anyway, regardless, that's them. So I can't really speak on them much because I haven't seen them yet. Because I still haven't filmed that portion of the video. But either way, I will leave a link. All right, as I was trying to say before the camera overheated, I really can't speak on the brightness of them because I haven't seen them, and I'm not gonna lie to y'all, but I will leave a link down below in the description if y'all want to check these out in person. I mean, like during the day, they are, I mean, they're bright. So I'm excited to see what they look like at nighttime. But either way, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Again, you can use the code on the screen right now to save some money off of your Lasfit order. Again, it is an affiliate link, and I really would appreciate it if y'all did use it, because it does help out the channel a little bit, but it does save y'all some money as well. So anyway, guys, I will catch y'all on the next one. Thank y'all for watching, and I hope everybody has a great day. Big thank you to Lasfit for working with us yet again, and I think we have some more stuff coming for the blue truck next month. That is going to be a new release product, so I'm excited about that as well. But anyway, guys, thank y'all for watching, and I hope everybody has a great day.